Nature is savage. So locust, I don't know what kind of spider that is. Oh, look at that. Nature is savage, y'all. If y'all hear me breathing hard, I just ran in there to get my phone. Like, my cat told me about this. I'm like, no way. So, wow. God, I can't believe that web held it. I just caught the very end, guys. Cat wants to get it so bad. I had to get the cat down. Look, it still wants it. Wants it so bad. I could have saved the locust, but saving the locust kills the spider. I'm a fan of spiders, y'all. I relocate them. I don't ever kill them. I've never been bit by one. That's why. Look at this big guy. My wife would make me kill him. Look at this guy. Absolutely amazing. Hey, that's a Japanese maple right there. In case anybody wanted to know. Nature is savage and brutal. I'm sorry, my camera's having trouble focusing on this. It keeps trying to focus in on the Japanese maple right there. Oh, absolutely amazing. Wow. Now the spider's beginning its work. Wrap this bad boy up. He's almost as big as the locust. Look at that big strand of web. I don't know if y'all can see that. Wow. That's absolutely amazing. You know, I've came out here, let my dogs out. Rue, little Effie. Prim, here. Prim, here. And there's Prim. Yeah. Rue, here. Rue, here. It's my good girls. Rue, here. Look at this. Look at them wrapping them up. Absolutely amazing. Nature is savage, y'all. This is what I think about anytime somebody tells me we need to get back to nature. Humans are harmful for nature. This is what I think about. God, dog. Brutal. All right, I'm in at 4 minutes. That's all from me. Y'all have a good one.